Adam, quick question.
Sure. What is on your mind, Anna?
What is the exact difference between could, would, and should?
Oh, wow. That is exactly where most learners get so confused.
Yes, I hear them absolutely everywhere, but I do not know which one to use.
Perfect. Because today, we will make it very, very simple.
Awesome. I really need this to be easy.
After this lesson, you will choose them automatically. No thinking.
Really? Just automatically?
Absolutely. Because Anna, listen to this very carefully.
I am listening.
You do not have a grammar problem.
I do not?
Nope, you have a politeness problem.
Oh, a politeness problem. What does that mean?
It means today you will learn how to sound polite, natural, and confident using just 3 words.
Wow, just 3 little words?
Yes, could, would, should.
Okay, I'm excited, but is this going to be heavy grammar?
Relax. No grammar rules today.
Oh, good. Phew, I really hate grammar.
Totally understandable. This is not grammar. This is real conversation.
Excellent. That is exactly what I need for my daily life.
Exactly. Imagine we are painting a picture in your mind today.
A mental picture? I love that.
Yes, 3 words that change everything.
Only 3 words? Are you sure?
I am absolutely sure. But they change your whole personality in English.
Wow, my personality?
Definitely. They take you from sounding like a cold robot to a friendly professional.
Perfect. Let us start. What is the first one?
Let us start with part 1, the word could.
Could. C-O-U-L-D. Got it.
Anna, close your eyes. Imagine you were in a busy office.
Okay, I am imagining it. Phones are ringing, people are walking around.
And you need my help. How do you ask me normally?
Can you help me?
Good, but listen to this.
Okay.
Could you help me?
Oh, wow.
Do you feel the difference in the air?
Yeah, that sounds so much softer.
Exactly. Can is normal, but could is polite and professional.
It feels like a warm smile, right?
What a beautiful visual. Yes, could is a warm smile in words.
I like that. Could you help me?
Perfect. Now imagine a heavy door. You want me to open it.
Can you open the door?
Now make it smile, Anna.
Could you open the door?
Excellent. See? You sound so much nicer.
It is like magic.
It really is. Now let us talk about high-value business situations.
Oh, yes, please. Like meetings and projects?
Exactly. Imagine you need a document from your manager.
Okay, usually I say, can you send me the file?
Upgrade it, Anna. Give it that professional touch.
Could you send me the file?
Boom. Perfect.
Wow, that sounds like a top CEO speaking.
Totally. Now imagine a complex project. You are confused.
That happens a lot.
You want your boss to explain it. What do you say?
Could you explain this project?
Absolutely brilliant.
So could makes you sound respectful.
That is the golden rule, Anna. Could makes you sound respectful.
I am writing that down in my mind. Could equals polite and respectful.
Awesome. So whenever you want to request something gently,
I use could.
Exactly. You are already mastering part 1.
This is so much fun. No grammar stress at all.
Told you. Now, are you ready for part 2?
Definitely. Bring it on, Adam.
Part 2 is the word would.
Would. W-O-U-L-D. Okay.
Paint another picture in your mind. Imagine a nice, cozy cafe.
I smell the fresh coffee already.
You walk to the waiter. How do you ask for coffee?
I say, I want coffee.
Okay, but listen to this beautiful version.
I am listening carefully.
I would like a coffee.
Oh, wow.
Feel the difference?
That sounds so much better, like a VIP customer.
Exactly. I want sounds a bit like a demanding child.
Yeah, true. I want candy.
Exactly. But I would like sounds like a classy adult.
I would like a coffee. It just flows perfectly off the tongue.
It does. It shows your desire, but beautifully wrapped like a gift.
So, would is for when I want something.
Yes, it is a polite want, a polite desire.
Awesome. How do I use this at work?
Let us do some real-world business scenarios again.
Perfect. I am in the office again.
You need to meet with your team. Do not say, I want a meeting.
Okay. I will say, I would like a meeting.
Excellent. So professional and calm.
It makes me feel confident, honestly.
It should. Now, you want to talk about a big project.
I would like to discuss the project.
Wow, perfect pronunciation and perfect tone.
Yeah, it sounds so natural.
Absolutely. Now, imagine you are struggling with some heavy work.
Okay, I am stressed. I need assistance.
Do not say, I want help.
I would like some help.
Spot on. You are sounding like a true leader.
Thank you. I would like some help. It does not sound weak at all.
True. It sounds like you are completely in control of the situation.
So, would is also for offering things, right?
Oh, you are reading my mind. Yes, it is.
Like when guests come to my house or my office.
Exactly. Imagine I'm visiting your office right now.
Okay, welcome to my office, Adam.
Thank you. Now, you want to offer me water. What is the normal way?
Do you want some water?
Good. Now give me the polite choice. Elevate it. Use would.
Would you like some water?
Amazing. Do you hear the warm hospitality in that?
Totally. It sounds like I really care about my guest.
You nailed it. Would equals a polite choice.
I love this. Could for asking nicely, would for wanting or offering elegantly.
You are summarizing it perfectly in your head.
Because it makes total sense now. No confusing grammar rules.
Exactly. Are you ready for the third and final word, Anna?
Absolutely. What is the third magic word?
The third word is should. S-H-O-U-L-D.
Should. Okay, I hear this one a lot at work.
Exactly. Let us create a visual metaphor for this one too.
Perfect. I have my mental canvas ready.
Imagine a compass, a friendly guide showing you the best direction.
Compass. I love that image.
Imagine you are at the office and you look super stressed.
Oh, that is easy to imagine.
You tell me, Adam, I have a massive problem at work.
And what do you say to me?
I could say, talk to your manager.
Oh, that sounds like an order, like a command.
True, it feels a bit heavy, right?
Yeah, it feels like pressure.
Now listen to the upgrade. You have a problem, you should talk to your manager.
Wow, that changes the whole feeling.
How does it feel now?
It feels like you care, like you're giving me a warm suggestion.
Spot on. Should equals advice.
Not an order?
Not at all. Not an order, not a strict command, just pure friendly advice.
So it's like saying, I think this is a good idea for you.
Exactly. Let us try some real-life business scenarios.
Awesome. Hit me with them.
Your colleague is working too late every single night.
Oh no, they look so tired.
Give them some gentle advice using should.
You should take a break.
Beautiful. You sound so supportive.
It feels so natural to say it that way.
Definitely. Now imagine your team is stuck on a big project.
We cannot move forward. We need action.
Exactly. Give them strong but polite advice.
We should make a decision.
Boom. Excellent.
Oh, that sounds like a great team leader.
It totally does. High-level English, zero grammar stress.
I am completely shocked. It is really just about politeness.
Yeah, exactly. Now we're entering the most important part of the lesson.
Oh, what is that?
The smart comparison. We will put them side by side.
Like a taste test for words?
Exactly. A taste test for English.
I am ready.
Situation 1, a request.
Okay, asking for something.
Normal, can you help me? Polite.
Could you help me?
Perfect. Situation 2, a desire.
Wanting something. Got it.
Normal, I want coffee. Polite.
I would like a coffee.
Amazing. Situation 3, advice.
Helping someone out.
Talk to your boss.
You should talk to your boss.
Wow. Same ideas, completely different feelings.
It is like switching from black and white to full color.
What a fantastic metaphor, Anna.
Absolutely.
Thanks. I am really feeling the language now.
Now it is time for the error lab.
The error lab? Oh no, am I going to make mistakes?
Yes, but on purpose. We learn by fixing.
Okay, give me a mistake to fix.
Imagine a student says, "You must help me."
Ouch, that sounds so aggressive.
Totally. Fix it, Hannah. Make it a polite request.
Could you help me?
Perfect. Next error, I want meeting now.
Oh, very demanding. Let us soften that.
How do you say it like a pro?
I would like a meeting.
Excellent. You are fixing these instantly.
Because the feeling is clear in my mind now.
Let us try one more error. You have to study.
Too bossy. I will use the compass word.
Go for it.
You should study more.
Awesome. You graduated from the error lab with flying colors.
Yay! I feel so confident right now.
Good, because now we face the ultimate test.
Oh boy, what is the ultimate test?
The real-life dialogue. No explanations, just flow.
Okay, a real conversation. Let's do it.
We are in the office. I am your coworker. Action.
Hey, Adam, could you send me the project file?
Sure, Anna. I will send it right away.
Thanks. Also, I would like to discuss the results with you later.
Sounds good. We have a few issues with the data.
Oh, really? You should check the numbers one more time.
I will do that before our meeting.
Perfect. Could you book the meeting room for us?
Consider it done.
And cut. Wow.
How did that feel?
That felt incredibly smooth, like I was starring in a business movie.
Exactly. You used all 3 words perfectly.
I asked you nicely, I stated what I wanted, and I gave advice.
All without thinking about grammar rules.
It just happened automatically. You were right.
Told ya. Now let us do a quick mental summary.
Okay, locking it in my brain.
Could means
Polite request, a warm smile.
brilliant. Would means
Polite want, a classy desire.
spot on. And should means
Friendly advice, a guiding compass.
you have mastered them, Anna.
Thank you, Adam. This completely changed my perspective.
Remember our golden sentence for today?
Oh, let me guess. Something about being polite?
Close. Speak English, but speak it nicely.
Speak English, but speak it nicely. I love that so much.
It is the secret to sounding fluent and professional.
I am never going to forget this lesson.
I am so glad. Now, we have a challenge for our amazing listeners.
Ooh, homework, but the fun kind, right?
Absolutely the fun kind. We want you to practice right now in the comments.
Yes, show us what you learned today.
Write one sentence using could.
Write one sentence using would.
And write one sentence using should.
Make them real situations from your own life.
Definitely. We read every single comment, and we cannot wait to see your polite English.
Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this mental journey with us.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and speak it nicely.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next lesson.